Capricorn, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. This is a general reading, guys, so take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. So let's get started. Okay, you've got the Nine of Cups. It's a wish fulfillment energy, guys, and so many times we lose hope because things are not happening as per our timelines. As per our timelines, we feel that if we put in the effort right now, we will bear fruit in the very next moment, which is wrong because we all know that everything that counts takes time. Things that have to last for a little while, they take a little while to happen. Let's see more messages for you, Capricorn. I see that, when it comes to love, you are going to be manifesting somebody who is from the water sign group, which is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But all in all, this person will know when to stop talking, when to start talking. They'll be very wise, they'll be very mature. Okay, I dropped these cards. You've got the Nine of Pentacles. And you've got the World card. Wow. Things are turning in your favor, Capricorn. What do I even say? Just be aware of any kind of hasty decisions because when we don't think our decisions through, we fall flat on our face, and that is not something that you want, right? But I see that a lot of changes are going to be coming into your life. Come December, you'll be in a much better space emotionally, and this is for those people who are constantly getting sucked into depressive thoughts or feeling as if there's no light left in life. Don't worry about that. Have faith in yourself, have faith in your capabilities because you are attracting everything that your heart desires. Because you are worth it, because you deserve it, because you deserve all the happiness, Capricorn. The Nine of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, and the World card. The number 99 is very prominent over here. Number 20 is also very important. 21 is important. So keep a note of these. I think today is the 21st when I'm recording this, 21st of November. You've got the King of Wands card. Taking authority, ownership of everything that you thought others were responsible for. So you wanted love, but you thought that no, probably my partner will be more responsible for this. And things, did not last that long. So I would suggest that have faith because you are becoming the king of your own life. First, you need to love yourself the way you want to be loved. And Capricorn, you're doing exactly that. You could have some issues with an authority figure, but it won't be something that will cost you your job or your marriage or anything. Don't worry about that. Just, pay attention to how you're putting your viewpoints across. You've got the Two of Cups. I keep calling it the Lovers card because it's the same thing, same energy. This is a Gemini card. You could be attracting a Gemini in your life, Capricorn. But as I mentioned to you, true love is coming your way, a love that you do not have to keep explaining to yourself. This partner is somebody who you will not have to keep telling how you feel and, walking on eggshells because most of our relationships have been like that. And Capricorn, now is the time when you will truly attract. Your karma is already done. For a lot of you, I see that you've been through these trying times because you had to grow through some karma. Now that that has happened, you are moving in towards the better part of your life where things are not that difficult. Challenges will always be there, but these are handleable challenges. This was also handleable, but this was something that was very painful. You've got a High Priestess. Some of you could be planning going to a university or college or, honing your skills, taking some master classes for your skills or something like that, which is very good because Capricorn, right now, when you invest so much into your own self, when you start investing in your own talents, in your own growth, you will realize that not only do people get attracted to you romantically, but they also get attracted to you when it comes to business as well. So yeah, number two is also very important. So um, two, triple two, two, like that. I'm also seeing triple five is important for some of you. 10 10 is important. Yeah. You've got the 10 of cups. I said 10 10, and you've got the 10 of cups right here. So when your reading started with the 9 of cups, which is almost wish fulfillment, and now your reading is ending with the 10 of cups, which is ultimate wish fulfillment. I think I don't need to draw any more cards, but I will. You've got the Ace of Wands reversed here. You could be feeling a little blocked when it comes to new ideas and, trying to. I think you are pushing yourself a lot to be better at things. Don't worry, everything is happening at its own divine timing. So you don't have to push something, because if you try to help a plant grow before its time, it'll die, right? You've got the Two of Pentacles, another two energy. In the near future, I have a feeling, strong feeling, that you will be faced with a choice. Now, this choice could be romantic. I'm seeing romantic. This is a choice between what was and what will be. So, a future lover, a future partner, and an ex returning. Ex-spouse, ex-boyfriend, girlfriend, anything. Even a friend who had feelings for you, but when you said you don't have any feelings, they broke the friendship and left. So, yeah, those kind of people are returning, but there will be new love as well. So you may have to choose. You may find yourself standing at a crossroad or a fork road, actually. So make a wise choice. Take your time. Don't be hasty, because what's meant for you will never pass you by, guys. So let's see some extra messages for you, Capricorn. These are oracle messages, additional. Um, they may or may not be directly related to your tarot. You've got trust. Have faith in yourself, in your surroundings, in the people who truly love you, because, and especially the universe, because the universe always has your back, and so do the people who claim to love you, right? Not even claim, like your family, like your true friends, your best friends, your animals. They truly love you, and Capricorn, all is not lost. There's still hope, and I see such a beautiful future for you beginning today. You've got the Earth pulsing card. Slow down, take time, spend time in nature. Nature is one of the best healers, just like time, just like education. Education also heals, when people go through something traumatic and they start studying, they concentrate more and they become better than what they were. So yeah, spend time in nature, because earthing is a beautiful feeling. Like, just walk bare feet on clean grass. You'll feel really nice. It gives this tingling feeling in the sole of your legs, feet, and it just makes you feel really special. You've got the Initiation card, Rite to Passage, Crossing the Threshold. Wow. The worst is over, the worst is behind you. Take time to have, no, actually, take out time to do things that help you feel alive. Because when you feel alive, you attract more things that make you feel alive. Even if it's two things that you're grateful for right now in life, just be absolutely grateful for those, and life will give you 10 more reasons to be grateful. I'm also a law of attraction coach, a mindset coach, a graphologist, and all I know is there is that higher power working for you, and you just have to have faith. Don't let pride get in your way. A Leo person could be important for some of you. You could be attracting a Leo person. Wow, okay. You've got the show the world the real you. An Aquarius card, Aquarius person could be important for you. Hold your vision. A new romantic cycle begins. Libra person could be important for you. And believe in the impossible, guys. It's amazing. I love these cards because they give you such beautiful single line messages and they are done. Let's see an affirmation for you, Capricorn. When I cultivate a spiritual connection, I can trust the universe no matter what. When I cultivate a spiritual connection, I can trust the universe no matter what. Wow, Capricorn, thank you so much for giving me a chance to serve you. This was all. Do visit my channel again and don't forget to like, share or subscribe, and comment below if you want me to do something else, like read the cards in another way or help you out in some other way. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Bye.